everyone, welcome back to my channel. I hope you all are fine and healthy. As you must have read the title that this video is going to be about my bags collection. When I say collection, it doesn't mean that I have fancy or many bags. I have few bags, but that is not the subject here. There is a particular reason behind making this video, and that reason you will find either in the middle of this video or maybe at the end of this video. That you will have to find out. So without further ado, let's get started. So the first bag which I'm going to show you is a jute bag, which is this. This is a jute bag and I bought it from Virasat. Virasat is an exhibition kind of mela, and I really love the patchwork and the vibrant colors, and I have used it multiple times. It's a jute bag and it has got one compartment. It's a very spacious bag and I really love it. I guess we all should have one jute bag. It's a must for our wardrobe. The second category is a tote bag, and I have a tote bag from Zara. I really love the size, the color and the pattern of this bag. It has got two compartments. One is on the front here, so you can keep your cell phone, your purse and your sanitizer, and this one is the main compartment here. This bag is very useful when you are carrying some papers or when you are carrying lots of stuff. So I have used this bag plenty of times. So yeah, this is my tote bag. I have two handbags. One is this one. I really love the style of this bag, and this bag is from Ant. It has got many compartments, many pockets. One is here on the front, one is on the back. There's a zip, and the main compartment here, there is again zip, and inside the main compartment there are again 3 more pockets. So yes, I love this bag. I am currently using this bag only. This is my favorite one. The second handbag which I have is this. This bag is gifted by Arjun when he was in London, and this bag is from Burberry. This bag is very old. It's been 9 to 10 years. It's a leather bag, and this bag is very heavy actually. I used to carry this bag earlier, but now because I'm a mom and I have to go with my daughter, so it's very hard to carry this bag. But yeah, I love this bag also. For sling bag, I have this one here, and this sling bag is from H&M. I really love the padded design of this bag. It has got only one compartment and a little pocket here, and it's very easy to use. It's very light in weight, and I use it a lot when I go out with my friends or with my sisters. So yeah, I love this bag. It's a compact backpack from Ellen Solly, and I really love the color of this bag, the olive color, and it's a very tiny bag actually. It has got only one compartment and a little pocket inside. I have not used this bag that much, but I love it, and it's a backpack. It's a tiny little backpack. Guys, those were my 6 or 7 bags, and now comes the special bag, and that special bag is the purpose and the reason of this whole video. So now I'm going to show you that special bag, which is this. This is my jhola, and which says I choose to be happy today. I carry this bag whenever I go for grocery shopping or for vegetables, for fruits, for any quick runs. I use this bag, and the reason behind this that I'm showing you this bag is that we all know that poly bags or polythene or plastic bags are so harmful for our environment. Let's say if you have 10 handbags, 20 handbags, or for that matter of fact you have 50 handbags, I think they are of no use if you ask for that extra poly bag or polythene from the shopkeeper whenever you go for shopping. So I guess this is the time when we should carry our own jhola. Our government has also banned poly bags plenty of times, but we are unable to implement that in our society. The reason behind is that we are unable to go out from our comfort zone. So I think so that this is the time when we should trend this idea, we should trend this lifestyle, when we carry our own bag whenever we are going for vegetables or fruits or anything. So yes guys, this was the purpose and the reason behind this video. I hope you guys liked it. If you do like it, just let me know in the comment section below, and I'll see you soon in my next video. Till then, bye bye, take care.